Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, we're looking at Ethereum on the daily chart. We are right now retesting this daily trend line. If we're seeing that this daily candlestick is closing below the trend line, that could definitely take us back down to these targets that I'm having based on the Fibonacci. If we're taking the Fibonacci from the high to the low, the targets that I'm having is 2,785, 2,590, and 2,420. But if you're seeing that this daily candle is closing above, we can take another Fibonacci from the low to the high, and that is also giving us targets based on the Fibonacci, and those targets are 3,385, 3,690, and 3,940. So everything depends right now on how the market, are we closing below this trend line, are we seeing a retest from below, or this breakout candle that we do have in the coming candlesticks, are we respecting this trend line as a new resistance, and that could take us back up. I wonder, what is your thoughts on Ethereum right now?